I like birds. Do you like birds?
Birds.
Birds can fly, why cannot I?
Why can't I fly?
I can sing, but I have no wings.
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 'Cause I like birds. Do you like birds?
I like birds. Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds. Do you like birds?
I like birds because I like birds.
Birds are cool, birds can fly. But why cannot I?
Sleep.
Birds get the flu and so do I.
Birds get the flu and so do I.
Birds get the flu and so do
I grow feathers from my nose.
I like feathers from my nose.
I grow feathers from my nose.
I grow feathers from my nose.
I like feathers on my cheeks.
I like feathers on my cheeks.
I like birds and collecting antiques.
I like birds and collecting antiques.
Someone wrote on my forehead, I'll just lay down in my bed.
Go to sleep,
Little birdie.
I like birds.
I like to sleep among birds. When I sleep, I dream of birds. When I sleep, I dream of birds.
I dream of birds. This is so strange. I want to lay an egg.
I have feathers in my dreads.
He has feathers in his dress.
I have a red mustache too.
Gingers are really cool.
And misunderstood. 1, 2, 3, 4. Birds can sing and they have wings.
Birds can sing and they have wings.
I have no wings, but I can sing.
I can sing too.
Because I love birds.
I love birds.
Do you love birds?
Birds.
I love birds.
I love birds.
He loves birds.
We
She
love
loves birds.
Have you heard?
Yes, we've heard.
Birds are birds.
Birds.
Is the